This is the breaking news. There's polar bears, pandas, lions, and wolves getting extinct. Who is killing animals?
Who is cleaning animals? Killing animals? I don't know. I hope none of us are killing any animals.
Why is it bad for the environment?
Why is it bad for the environment? Oh, because animals are a very important link in the chain of life. We have to take care of them so that in the long run they take care of us too. We help each other out.
I want to secure his butt. Yeah. How is my boots?
So guys, if you're gonna come in the goat pen, you need to know that there is poop and there is mud. So if you don't want poop and mud in your shoes, make sure that you pay attention to where you are walking. Come inside if you don't want to.
Who's this? Hi.
What? I'm not sure which one it is.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Madeline Jarman. I am the 4-H Capital Goat Club instructor at Hart Elementary School. Even when we eat an animal, we still want them to have a good life while they're alive so that they can be happy and do all the behaviors that are natural for them. So it's not only better for the environment, for the animals to be a good population size, but it's also better for the animal, and it makes us feel better too to know that the animals that we're eating are well cared for and well taken care of and are happy when they're alive. They should come over and eat
Smells gross.
if we stay quiet.
Oh, I see. But there's a picture.
And then it comes out at the bottom over there so they can stick their head inside and eat it.
It smells like cereal.
It does. It's got a lot of the same stuff in it as cereal does.
You want to talk with me?
See the one?
Yeah, just be careful. They might don't.
No, not there. Hey.
43.
They're
Why is
called
it bad
wa-
to the environment to kill animals?
Oh, okay, so that's a really complicated question. So sometimes when there's not very many of a certain type of animal, that animal is threatened or endangered, and that means that they're in danger of going extinct. And extinct means that there's no more of that animal alive anywhere in the world, and they're gone forever. Once they're extinct, there's no way for us to get them back at all. And so it's important when an animal is threatened or endangered that we help protect them to make sure that they don't go extinct, because then they're gone forever, and that's really sad. There are a lot of people in the world, and people need places to live and places to grow food. And so as we grow out and build more stuff, their habitat gets destroyed and they don't have as many places to live. I think it's number 43. I would have to check my list.
Hi, baby. Don't let it eat the camera.